Okay, so just going to look at vectors, and we're going to look at the different forms of a vector and writing the vector when it is in a geometrical form. Okay, so with these vectors, we're just going to write them in component form. Okay, so looking at this first one here, you look at the x value is 2 across and then 2 up. So it goes 2 in the positive direction and 2 up. So the x value for A would be 2i plus 2j. Okay, if we did it in as a ordered pair, it would be 2, 2. That's called an ordered pair. This here is component form. And if you did it as a column vector, that would be 2, 2. Okay, so let's look at the next one. So we're looking at this one here. Can you see that the y value is 2 and it's minus 2 because it's going down, but the x value is 0. So in component form, b would be 0 for the x, and it'll just be 2j, and it would be minus 2j, so it'll be 0 minus 2, or 0 minus 2. Okay, if we look at C, so looking at C, what have we got here? So the x is going up 2, and the y is going in the negative 2. So that means for C, component form would be, that's the x value. The x is minus 2, and the y is positive 2, because it's 2 up. Okay, if we look at D, I actually haven't put a direction on it. I'm going to make it go that way. Alright, so looking at that, the y is 1 and the x is 3. The x is the negative direction because it's going to the left, and the y is in the positive direction because it is going up. So that means it will be 3i minus 3i plus j. That's in component form. And so minus 3i plus j, that's in component form, or minus 3, 1. That would be an ordered pair. A column vector, and minus 3, 1, that would be as an ordered pair. Okay, looking at E. So if we look at this, it's 1, 2. So it's 2 across in the positive direction and 1 up. So it's going to be 2i plus j, which will be 2, 1 or 2, 1. Okay, the next one, that means that it's going to go 1, 2, 3. So it's be minus 3 for the x's and 0 for the y. So we're going to write anything there, or it will be 3, 0 as a column vector, or 3, 0 as an ordered pair.